Welcome 6th class. Today's topic is rational numbers and real number 2.4 exercise. In this exercise, first of all, fractions and mixed numbers. You know that fraction is in by form, just like 3 by 4, 5 by 3, 2 by 2. It's a fraction form. There are different types of fractions. First of all, proper fraction. Proper fraction is that type of fraction which have numerator less than the denominator. In proper fraction, numerator is always less than the denominator. Improper fractions are those fractions in which numerator is larger than the denominator. 5 by 3. 5 is larger than the 3. 2 by 2 are equal. Numerator and denominator are equal. Mixed numbers. Mixed numbers are those fractions which have whole form, just like 5 whole 1 by 4. 5 whole 1 by 4. It's a mixed numbers. These numbers are positive, but they can extend and include negative fractions. If I put sign negative, it's a negative fraction. So you have come to know about fractions. You have already learned in previous classes. Okay. Now look at page number 44. Practice now. There is given an example. You can solve it if you learn the method of this question. You can easily solve your all examples. Without using a calculator, find the value of each of the following. Without using calculator. Okay. A part 7 whole 1 by 2 plus into minus 3 whole 3 by 5. Students, first of all we have to make it fraction. It's a mixed fraction. We make it simple fraction. So what is the method? Method is here, always multiply denominator to the whole number. 2 7 the 14 and add the numerator. 2 7 the 14 plus 1 15 by 2 plus minus 5 3 the 15 plus 3 18 by 5. Now simplify it. Now you can see it. It's a proper fraction or improper fraction? Yes, it's a improper fraction. Plus minus 15 by 2 minus 18 by 5. Now whenever we have a fraction, we take the LCM of denominator. Clear? So LCM 2 and 5. Denominators, take the denominators and take the LCM. First of all, take any small prime number, that is 2. 2 ones are 2, 5 as it is, because 5 is not coming in 2's table, and 5 ones are 5. Now multiply, read the table. 2 5 the 10. So 10 is our LCM. Now read the table. 2. We will read the table whenever 10s come, then we will stop. 2 ones are 2, 2 2 the 4, 2 3 the 6, 2 4 the 8, 2 5 the 10. 2 5s are 10. Multiply the 5 with 15. 15 5 the 75 minus 5 2s are 10. 2 18 the 18 to the 26. Now subtract 75 and 26. 75 minus 26. That is, I can show you how we can subtract. Take a carry from 5 because 6 will not, we cannot minus them. 15. 6 out of 15 is 9. 6. 2 out of 6 is 4. That is 49 by 10, and this is our answer. Clear, students? Now you can see question number B. There are given 3 values. So you can solve it. I can show you how you can solve. B part statement is this. First of all, we will make this mixed fraction to the simple fraction. 4 to the 8 plus 3. 8, 9, 10, 11. Minus 11 by 4 plus minus 5 by 6 minus into minus 2 by 3. Now simplify the signs. Plus minus, minus 5 by 6, minus minus, plus 2 by 3. Now first we do the subtraction. Okay, we can take the LCM of these 3 values, but first we will do the subtraction. That is 6 and 4. LCM 2 to the 4, 2 3 the 6, again 2, 2 1 the 2, 3, 3 1 the 3. 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12. So LCM is 12 plus 2 by 3 as it is. 4, now read the table of 4 till whenever 12 will come. 4 3 the 12, 3 11s are 33, minus 33, minus 6 2s are 12, 2 5 the 10. Okay, minus 33 minus 10, minus 43 by 12 plus 2 by 3. Now again take the LCM of 12 and 3. 2 6 the 12, 3 as it is. 2 3 the 6, 3 as it is. 3 1 the 3. 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12. So LCM is 12. 12 1s are 12. So minus 43 as it is. Plus 3 4 the 12s. 4 to the 8. Minus 43 plus 8. Plus minus. Sign will be 43 minus 8. Answer is 35. Clear, students? Now you can check whether it can be divided or not. So we can divide 35 and 12. 12 ones are 12. 12s to the 24. And 12 3 the 36. So it's a 35. So 12 to the 24 and 1 1. So answer is okay, 2 whole 11 by 12. This is your answer. Clear? First of all, you take this answer in mixed form. This is your answer. Now students, these 2 questions are solved. Practice them at home and also practice the examples related to these questions. Clear? Thank you so much.